Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the password to a mail.ru account. So you have a mail.ru account that you use to receive and send a lot of emails. You've used that account in a lot of different places and now you're worried about the security of that account. You feel like a password is not secure enough, or there's some other reason you want to change a password to your account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a mail.ru account password in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. The first thing you want to do in order to change a mail.ru account password is open a browser. I'll suggest you to use the Chrome browser. Once you open a browser, go to mail.ru. So once you go to mail.ru, you can see that all the interface is in Russian. So this is why I asked you to use the Chrome browser. Here you can just right click and tap and translate to English, and once you do that you can see that everything is changed into English. Now from here what you need to do is log into the account that you want to change a password to. So if you are not logged into that account which you want to change the password to, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, here on the top right corner you'll see your account name. So tap on that account name, then go into password and safety option. Now once you tap on the password and security option, you land on an interface like this. Now here the second section you'll see will be labeled as login methods, and the first option there will be labeled as password, and here will be a button labeled as changed in order to change the password. So tap on that button in order to change the mail.ru account password. Now a pop-up window like this will open where you'll have the option to create a new password for your mail.ru account. But again, before you create a password for your mail.ru account, I'll suggest you again to change your language back to Russian, because the same thing happens, the page goes blank. The same way when you try to create your account, when you enter a password the page goes blank, the same thing happens here. So just read it like you need to enter a current password here. So you can do that. You can enter a current password first, enter a current password, then change the language before you create your new password. So again, go to Google Translator on top right corner, then change it back to Russian. So once you do that, now you will be able to create your new password. But while you create a new password, you can't have any of your personal information in that password, so create something accordingly. So create a new password for your mail.ru account. Once you create your mail.ru password, confirm that password. Now once you create a new password for your account, now you can again translate your page into English. Once you do that, tap on the change password button. Once you tap on the change password button, you'll successfully change your password to your mail.ru account. So those are the simple steps in order to change your mail.ru account password. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.